MPG 7 Forms of Waste, a part of the MPG Lean Manufacturing video series. In lean manufacturing, the value stream drives everything we do to create and produce products from raw material to customer delivery. Waste in the value stream can undermine productivity and profitability. MPG's Lean Initiative goal is to maximize the value stream in all phases of planning and production. Applying lean manufacturing fundamentals, MPG continuously identifies and reduces waste in all areas and all levels of manufacturing. In this video, we will review the 7 forms of waste in wait time, transportation, defects, overprocessing, inventory, overproduction, and motion. Waste of wait time. Idle time that occurs when a worker has to wait to continue tasks is considered waste in wait time. Common foundry examples are waiting for material, forklifts, containers, inspection results, and machine cycle time. Unbalanced workflow creates waste time in one area and an overload of work in another. Balance processes utilizing takt time and line balance charts. Implement visual controls such as pasteboards. Follow Total Productive Maintenance or TPM protocol to improve machine uptime and reduce employee idle time. Waste of transportation. Waste of transportation is the movement of product in and out of the production flow. Extra handling wastes valuable time and increases the chance of damage or loss. Utilize value stream mapping to achieve optimal cell layout close to the point of manufacturing. One-piece flow will minimize unnecessary transportation and fork truck usage. Waste of defect. Sorting, repairing, reworking, or scrapping product is waste of defect. Equipment and operator time is required to rework parts, resulting in increased labor and material costs. Inadequate training, insufficient process documentation, and defective equipment all contribute to waste of defect. Poka-yoke is implemented to error-proof a process and prevent defects from passing to the next operation. By following standardized operating procedures, process cards, and TPM maintenance plans, defects are reduced. Waste of overprocessing. Processes or procedures that add no value or are not required by the customer are considered waste in overprocessing. This can occur anywhere in the value stream, extending cycle time and increasing cost. In the foundry, overprocessing most often occurs in grinding, finishing, or redundant inspections. Overprocessing is identified through time studies and process audits. Improvements are made through training and following standard operation procedures, which are clearly posted, showing exact steps to follow with photo examples. A well-lit, organized work cell with the proper tools will reduce overprocessing. Waste of inventory. Excess product and over-ordering raw materials or components is waste of inventory. Excessive inventory, whether raw material, finished goods, or WIP, reduces cash availability. Key MPG metrics are productive inventory days or inventory turns. Several lean techniques are used to prevent excessive and costly inventory. Kanban, a visual pull card system, controls material flow and inventory. Just-in-time production regulates inventory. Contract review process for suppliers and customers will minimize inventory. Waste in overproduction. Waste in overproduction is the manufacturing of more than needed or before it is needed. Overproduction creates non-value-added steps when product is stored, tracked, and retrieved. Excess inventory increases the chance of damage, loss, and obsolescence. Proper scheduling must meet customer contractual order quantity and MOQs and follow just-in-time production principles. Waste of motion. Waste of motion is extra distance an employee travels to obtain supplies or extra movement within their work area. Poor workplace layout or lack of 5S takes an employee away from the work area, reducing productivity. Optimal cell layout is essential. Spaghetti diagrams are used to identify wasted motion. Work combination sheets are used to determine the range of work and work sequence. Kaizen work areas to condense cells to the smallest possible size and reduce work table size. Implement 5S and install shadow boards. One-piece flow. Work cell optimization. Implementing one-piece flow removes many forms of waste. During a recent Kaizen event, the following improvements were made to reduce the 7 forms of waste. Counterclockwise flow. Mobile bench. Right-sized workbench and footprint reduced by 50%. Installed overhead tool balancers. Andon light for visual monitoring. Pneumatic ID stamp replaces manual method. Improve to LED lighting. Repositioned container closer to point of use. With lean manufacturing, MPG reduces the 7 forms of waste, delivering a superior quality product at cost-competitive pricing.